front of me is Blackshark Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to click on Google section. Now select All Services. Scroll again and this time choose Autofill with Google over here. Now tap on Google Password Manager and then select any password you wanna edit. Enter your screen lock to confirm it's you. Choose Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!